Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Cancer. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Cancer. I'll be picking few cards for your daily and love energies, guys. And then we will see what the fairies are guiding us to do today. King of Wands, Ten of Cups, King of Wands, King of Cups, Four of Cups, King of Pentacles. Cancers, with these cards, I feel you are experiencing that success in your material life and in your personal life and in your emotional life. You are very happy in this relationship. You have that emotional contentment, happiness, being this person with this person, and you have that good attraction, affinity with this person, and you are happy for how things are going, guys. Maybe this person is coming towards you with a proposal, or they want something, maybe a commitment, or they want to get engaged, or they want to move in. And maybe for some of you all, you are little bit, what to say, in doubt when you have reached the point of decision making. So you do not know what to do, whether to go forward deeply with this relationship seriously, or you need to take time and think over. So you are just in that thinking phase. Maybe you may be thinking too much about the situation, guys. Maybe this person is a good person, because with these cards I feel you are right where you want to be in your life. You have achieved professionally what you want to achieve, and you are happy for how things are going in your life. But you are little bit, what to say, disturbed because of the way the things are going, and you feel it was the same even before with your ex. You would have had the similar kind of experience and it would have gone wrong. So you do not want to take the same decision now, and you're a little bit stressed because of that. You are just waiting, thinking about how to avoid that kind of what to say, some problems you had before because of this kind of decision. So you are just giving yourself time, thinking within yourself. Maybe this may be what to say, a good relationship. You may not, for few of you all, you may not want to lose this opportunity you have this with this person. Or for some of you all, this may be your energy or your person's energy, guys. And for some of you all, you are just thinking and waiting whether to go forward or not. So let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards, guys. Cancer, what is coming up? Ring. Rider. Cancers, I feel with this card, you are if you are in that state to face anything, and you are courageous, you feel that courage in your heart, maybe, or you will surely feel the courage in your heart to face anything and everything that comes in your path, guys. So this is a very positive card, guys. And with this card, with the Sun card, I feel you are going to feel positively about this relationship, and about these what to say some decision that is coming towards you, some kind of what to say your person proposing to you, or you proposing to your person. So that person, your person may feel optimistic, and they may feel the positive energy in this relationship, and they may want to accept your proposal, guys. And I see here you are getting some important information or message or some kind of announcement. Maybe this may be from your person regarding your proposal or engagement or something of that sort, guys. So whatever you were waiting for so long, it is going to be here, guys, and you don't have to worry about what happened in the past. You can go ahead with these cards. That is the way I feel. You can go ahead and enjoy your life. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you may be making some important what to say financial decisions, or signing some agreements, contracts, something of that sort. So some kind of commitment you are going forward into. This may be in your work, or this may be in your relationship, and this person is what to say this person wants this commitment, guys. This person is open to commitment, so they want to get committed to you. Maybe you are the one who is thinking too much about this commitment, and you just want to what to say take time and then decide. But this person wants commitment, or maybe this may be your energy. You want commitment, and this person is thinking about it. They are thinking too much about this. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. But I feel you are ready to overcome all the emotional blocks you are having in your mind, based on your what to say your past memories or past experiences, whatever you were having. So let us see what the fairies are guiding us to do, guys, today. What is the fairies guidance today for our situation? Okay, guys, the signs are with you already. That is the snow angel, voodoo in blue, angel de los muertos. So with these cards, Cancers, the fairies are telling us to leave out our fears and attachments to certain things, maybe some kind of emotions that we are afraid of, or some kind of situations. You have some kind of block, some thing, some emotional block in your life. So you do not want to move forward with your life, and you're feeling scared. Maybe you should remove this emotional block, because you're the one who can do it for yourself. You are the one who can help yourself, guys. So it is the time for you to open up, open yourself up, keep away that fear and what to say and attachment you have on some things, guys. And it is the time also for you to accept the things that are happening in your life. So everything in our life happens for a reason, guys, and in order to what to say achieve our life's purpose, we need to go through certain things, certain experiences, and when we go through those experiences, it becomes a great what to say, it just shapes our life, it just shapes our personality, and it brings so much difference in us. All our experiences help us to grow emotionally and spiritually, guys. So you have to welcome change, whatever is changing, you have to welcome with an open heart, and you need to stay away from things that you feel is draining your time and energy, guys. So what to say, you need to sometimes you need to be able to say stop, okay, to some people or some situations when it is happening, when it is stressing you so much. You need to do that with detachment in your heart. You should see it from a different perspective, understand the situation, and you should be able to take you away from the things that are draining your time and energy. Maybe this person, you may like them for what they are, but if you have some kind of what to say, some things that is pointing you towards your memory, like what happened in the past, it is recurring again, something pointing to that kind of happenings, you should be courageous enough to point them out, the reality of your feelings, guys, of your emotions, what you feel about this situation, and the things that are irritating you. You should be courageous enough to voice them out, and you should know when to stop, guys. So when you do that, you will overcome this emotional block you're having within yourself, Cancer. So that is the reading for today, guys. Thanks for watching, Cancer. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.